Hi friends, it's Miss Christine. How are you today? That's great to hear. Well, I thought it might be fun if we did something different today instead of reading a story. Today, I thought we'd ask a question and do an experiment. What's an experiment? We've done them before at school, but you might have forgotten what that means. I know sometimes I forget things. But an experiment is asking a question and then trying out something to answer that question. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to take our lettuce. Lettuce is a plant. We're going to dip it into some colored water to see if anything happens to it. Let's see how that works. Sounds a little confusing. So why don't we just let's just do our job and we'll see what happens. So to start, what we need, and if you want to do this at home, you can do it after you watch the video, or you can do it while you're watching the video, whatever you'd like to do. But I'm going to start because I have just a little bit of time before I have to start cooking dinner. So first, we start with 4 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to fill them with some water. So I have my watering can, so I'm going to fill them up. I'm not going to fill them all the way, probably about halfway. I'm going to fill them all up. 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to add some coloring to it. So you might not have this at home, but you can ask your moms to go to the store and get it, or you can even use paint. But I have food coloring, and it's really hard to see in this light. I'm really sorry about that. But this, we're going to put in here, and I want you to see if you can figure out what color it is when we do the drops. If not, I'll tell you what it is. But I want to see if you can figure it out. We're going to put 5 drops in each cup. So this one, you're going to count with me. We're going to count 5 drops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see what color it is? I'll put it closer. What color did it turn? It's hard to see. It's supposed to be green. It's green. Here, I'll show you. Let me get a napkin. Make this a little easier. So this is going to be green. Ready? I'm just going to stick that in there a little bit so you can see. Can you see the color? This is going to be the green one. Then the next one. I wonder what color the next one's going to be. Here it is. It's hard to see. All right, ready to count with me? We're going to count 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting, by the way. I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to stir it up. Sometimes the color doesn't mix well. We need to help it along. So let's see if you can see that color. It's hard to see. Does anybody know? If you said red, you would be right. Let's take our napkin. Take a look at what it's going to look like. Oh, red. Now let's go on to the next color. What do you think that is? Orange? It could be. It looks kind of like orange. Some say, possibly yellow? Well, let's take a look. Ready? We're going to count to 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stir up that color. Now let's see, what color did it turn? Yellow. Yellow is easy to see, isn't it? But we're still going to put a napkin in just so you can see the colors. There's yellow. We'll keep it right there so we know that that's the yellow one. And our last color is this one. It's hard to see, but watch. Let's count the drops and then we'll see if we can guess the color of this one. Oh, did I hear purple? I heard a blue too. Maybe. Those are good guesses. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stir it up. Again, the light's really hard. All right, let's use the napkin. It'll really help us be able to see the colors better. Ready? Is it purple? It's blue. Good guessing, guys. You guys do a really good job. All right, so now we have all our colors ready. The next thing we need to do is we have to take our lettuce. You could also use celery, but I'm going to use lettuce because I didn't get to go to the store to get celery, and that's what I have in the house right now. And lettuce and celery are both plants, so you can use either one. So right now, I'm going to cut my lettuce leaves. Now, you might not want to use a knife. You might want your mom or your dad to do this, or an older brother or sister, or you could just break it off yourself like this. But I like to cut it because then it really helps with the what's going to happen to the lettuce. So I'm going to cut one. Let me do it over here. 2. 3 and 4. All right, so I have 4 leaves of lettuce, I should say. And each leaf, we're going to put each leaf in a different color. So I'm going to take this leaf and put it in the green. I'm going to put this leaf and put it in the red. I'm going to take this leaf and put it in the yellow. See, you guys are so smart. You don't need me to tell you. And this leaf is going to go into the, what color is that? Blue. Now, I'm going to find, we're going to take, I made a chart. And this chart says, let me put this over a little bit. What will happen to the lettuce? So I put a happy face, and I put a sad face. So we don't know what's going to happen to the lettuce. Is it going to maybe drink the water? Is it going to not drink the water? And if it does drink the water, what might happen to the lettuce? I'm wondering. Do you think maybe if the lettuce drank the water, it might turn the color of the water? Maybe, maybe not. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to do an experiment. So right now, our leaves are in the water. Now, I don't think it's going to happen right away because it takes a while for plants to drink water. So what we're going to do is leave our lettuce leaves here in the water, and we're going to walk away. It's about lunchtime now, so I'm going to walk away and come back around dinner time and see what happened to our lettuce. And then we can chart what happens. Did it drink the water or didn't it drink the water? But before we do that, and before we walk away and come back later, I want you to think in your head what you think might happen to it. Okay, don't tell me your answer, just think about it in your head. And that way when we come back later, whatever you decided, we'll see if it's right, if it's correct, or not. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, I'm going to turn this off, and I'll see you in a little bit.